Oh, hey, Bill.
Hey, Wes.
How's it going?
It's going pretty good. I'm getting ready for spring.
Yeah, I can see that. What do you got going on here?
I got all kinds of stuff. I've got some flowers that are already blooming, but I also got some seeds.
Seeds, cool.
Yeah, different kinds of seeds. I've got some sunflower seeds, some pumpkin seeds.
Ooh.
Some are big. Some are really little, like sand, like those radishes.
It's super tiny.
These sunflowers will grow into a plant that could be 10 feet tall or 12.
Like a really tall sunflower?
Huge.
Wow.
Here's some nuts, which are seeds from a tree.
Whoa, so that's how a tree grows?
Yep, this is where it starts. These fall down in the fall. Now, a squirrel got to this one before we did. So it's not going to grow into anything, but these two will. So will this one.
This looks like one of those things that is like a boomerang.
Yeah. So that tree kind of had a neat idea of having the seeds kind of fly far away from the tree.
Oh yeah, so the seed falls off the tree,
Yep.
spins, and it lands in the ground.
Yep.
So if a seed lands on the ground, is it going to turn into a tree?
It will. It just needs a little bit of time, and it needs to get in the dirt.
Oh.
Sometimes, like these bigger ones, a squirrel will come and help it out.
Ah.
They'll bury them in the fall, and hopefully in the winter they remember where they buried it. But we sometimes hope that the squirrels forget, so that a tree will grow where its food was buried.
Oh, so they'll dig a little hole,
Yep.
put the seed in the hole. Wait a second, you have some dirt here.
Yeah.
So they'll dig a little hole like this,
Yep.
and put the seed in the hole,
Yep.
and then cover it up.
Yep.
And then sometimes the squirrels forget about it.
Yep. They're trying to hide it from other squirrels, but they'll hide it from themselves as well.
I see.
I knew I put that somewhere.
What does it take to even grow any type of plant?
So a plant doesn't need too much. It just needs a little bit of soil, a little bit of water, and sunlight.
That's it? Just that?
Yep. And maybe some patience.
Some patience.
Yeah.
So if I wanted to plant something, how would I go about doing that?
First thing I like to do is find different containers like old paper tubes, snack containers, drink containers.
I have a lot of snack containers.
Yeah, me too.
But what about this one?
So I made that right before you came in.
How'd you do that?
Found some paper I wasn't using anymore that I was gonna throw in the garbage.
Oh.
But I can show you how we made it.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
What do we do first?
First I'll get some scrap paper that you might throw in the garbage or recycling.
Okay.
We could give this a new life.
Cool.
Then you need some sort of container or a shape, old can or a cup
Cool.
that we can use to borrow the shape to make a...
This is kind of like a cylinder shape.
It is a cylinder.
I see. And it's like a cup, so like a cup would work, or a can or something like that.
Yep.
Or a jar. So what do we do with it?
So I like to put it on the edge, kind of like this, leaving some paper hanging over. So for yours, since it's a little bigger, you might want to pull it back just a bit.
Okay, so you want some extra.
Yeah.
All right.
And then you can start rolling.
It?
Yep.
Let me see you do it first.
And then I like to roll.
Oh.
And the more you roll, the thicker the sides will be.
Yeah. So I got this rolled up.
So the next thing
Now what
you
do I
need
do?
is tape.
Tape.
Yeah, and I always like to have a friend help me.
Oh, okay.
Because I can't do it all at once.
Yeah, that does help.
So we put a little tape on the side, hold it together.
Cool, thanks. Do
And,
you want me to help you with yours?
Could I? Get
Sure.
some-
So just tape on that.
Yep, right on the edge.
Right on the line. Okay.
And that always holds it in.
All right.
So this next part is my favorite.
Yeah.
I like to start smooshing it in. So we're going to create the bottom.
Oh, we're gonna make it have a floor.
Yep. And I kind of smush
Smush.
and kind of push it in. And then I smash.
Smash.
And that packs it all in so you have a strong floor.
Smush and smash.
Yep.
Cool.
And then we'll use some more tape.
Nice.
So let's see.
Wait, what's the tape for?
We'll hold the bottom together.
Oh. Oh,
I'll do a little X. Let's do letter X.
Do the letter X.
And then slowly taking it off.
It's like I made my own little cup. Wait, but there's nothing in the cup.
Good observation. Let's get some soil.
Oh! I remember soil. Boom!
There it is.
Yeah, I like to use my hands.
Me too. It's a little messy, but nothing a little water can't clean up.
We'll make sure to wash our hands afterwards, but I like touching the soil.
And then you can pick some kind of seed that you want.
Can I do a tree seed?
You could do a tree. We've got walnut and maple.
What's that one?
I think that's a walnut.
It's a walnut. Cool. Just put it in here.
Put it in there.
Okay.
And I'm going to take one of these purple peas.
Purple peas.
And I might put 2 in the container just in case one doesn't grow. And then the next step, I take a little handful of soil
Okay.
and cover it up. Not too deep.
Too deep. Just a little bit on top.
Yep,
Just to hide it from the squirrels.
that's right. They'll be looking for it.
Ooh. Yummy.
What do you think is next?
I remember. Water.
I got a little water here.
Is that much?
That looks pretty good.
Okay. Cool.
And then we have to be patient and wait.
Okay. So,
You can
how
put,
long? Like an hour?
longer than that. Like maybe a couple days.
Couple days?
Yep, and for a tree, maybe a little longer than that.
Okay.
But if you check on it every day, make sure the soil's wet, a little damp, doesn't have to be too wet, and you put it in a warm place with some sun, it'll grow. When it starts to grow big enough where it's out of the pot, and even if some of the roots poke through, then you can just bury the whole thing right in the ground.
Oh, cool. And this this paper, if that's okay to go in the earth?
Yep. So this paper will start turning back into the soil, and then the roots will help sort of breaking it up,
Wow.
and then the worms and things will start eating it, and
Really?
it'll turn back into soil.
Worms?
Yep.
I'm so excited about my new tree. So I'm gonna go take this home, and thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. I'm gonna find a sunny place to put mine.
All right, cheers.
Cheers.
Thanks, Bill.
Have a good day.
You too.
I still gotta find that bird.
Mm.